So this is the computer stuff I've been working on. Did the mood boards. Then I've been working on the blog. So writing, trying to make it look good, figuring that whole thing out. But we have also been pursuing collaborations. And with that, people are asking for media kits. And I did not know what an online media kit was. So I had to look it up. And like all things, you can find a video, you can find tips, you can find the how-tos. I found two that were like a good base. I liked their information, the general look, and were good for our scale. And I went into GIMP, which is like a free online Photoshop. And I wanted to use our kind of colors and tones and shapes. I made these little logos just spliced together to kind of have the good look, background for texture. And so I feel like it's more us. Lotus had to help me make the links so you can actually click through the logos to those sites, which I think is kind of fun. And these little cuties have a little blog preview, our little photo shoot family shot. I just think they're so cute. So hopefully they'll work. You don't have to be massive. It doesn't all have to be super shiny, sparkly. Just lean into what you like, what you want to do, and just try. Figure it out. Everything is figure outable. So that's what we did. We now have a media kit.